IFFCO Tokyo General Insurance Company Limited, our quest for success continues. IFFCO Tokyo General Insurance Company Limited was incorporated on the 4th of December 2000 with a vision of being the industry leader by building customer satisfaction through fairness, transparency, and quick response. IFFCO Tokyo, the company with a humble beginning of 213 crores of cross-written premium in 2002 to an astounding 3,398.68 crores in the financial year 2014-2015. Truly, there hasn't been any looking back since 2000. And it is because of the untiring support of you that IFFCO Tokyo General Insurance Company Limited has managed to attain unparalleled growth in the industry. Presenting Advantage Plus, an engagement program that gives you an opportunity to not only grow and earn great rewards, but also a platform to outshine and be recognized amongst the crowd. To become a member of Advantage Plus engagement program, we have considered a minimum of Rs 2 lakhs of GWP average per quarter in the financial year 2014-2015. All registered agents in the program get an attractive welcome kit with exclusive branding. All agents are assigned a tier with specific benefits. Here is how we assign you a tier. Registered, Rs 2 lakhs to Rs 4 lakhs per quarter. Classic, Rs 4 lakhs to Rs 8 lakhs per quarter. Preferred, Rs 8 lakhs to Rs 12 lakhs per quarter. Supreme, more than Rs 12 lakhs per quarter. Tiers are upgraded or downgraded for the next quarter based on your performance in the present quarter. You can view and monitor your sales performance, points you have accumulated and redeemed against the same on the program website, which is www.advantageplus.iffcotokyo.co.in. To access the program website, log on to the current IFFCO Tokyo agency portal with your user ID and password. Here you will see a link for accessing the Advantage Plus program. If you are a registered agent for this engagement program, click on the same and you will be automatically transferred to the Advantage Plus website. Just to let you know, the Advantage Plus portal is accessible only by the registered licensed agents. How to earn points in Advantage Plus? Turn your lead into sales and you will be rewarded with points as per the pre-designed structure. Here is how you will be awarded reward points in the program. Your reward earnings are computed on your target and growth achievement. Here is how it is done. You can keep a track of all your earnings from the program microsite. Every quarter a consolidated point statement will be generated, which will give you a detailed report of your achievement. Our reward catalog gives you an option to redeem your earned points against a host of exciting gifts. You can accumulate your points for 2 consecutive quarters and redeem them in the 3rd quarter. Through our online reward catalog, we will be announcing various exciting leisure travel options for you and your family, with many other gift items. Various activities in the coming period have been planned to inspire you on your journey to success. Life would be better with Advantage Plus. If you have any queries, complaint, feedback or any other concerns, please feel free to contact our customer-friendly program help desk. We are happy to have you as a part of the IFFCO Tokyo family. तो मुस्कुराते रहो और परफॉर्म करते रहो।